In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how we made $50,230 just by promoting affiliate links on Twitter. I will share with you which affiliate links I was promoting on Twitter to earn this commission. I was promoting a lot of services, but in today's video guys, I'm gonna share with you one of my profitable services that I was promoting as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr on Twitter. So you just need to copy and paste my method to make some money like this in commission, because it's really easy and simple, and I'm not selling you any courses or any coaching programs. I will share this for free with you guys in this video. So I hope you appreciate this, and what you need to do, you just need to copy and paste this method, and that's it. So let's get started. And as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $50,213. That's a lot of money, and I have been doing this business for over 2 years now, and it's profitable. So let's get started. So what you will do first, you need to go to Google, you need to search for Fiverr, click over here on the first link. You need to sign up by user email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you will come to this page and you will just scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, so but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you how much you will earn for those services, because they are really paying a lot of money. If we click over here on see commission, you will be directly in this page, and as you can see, commission plan over here, you can see that you can earn up to $150 if just one person buy service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150. That's a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do, go back to this home page, click on join now, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here. Scroll down, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can use your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps, and it's really easy. It will take just a few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, go back to this page like this. Now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Twitter to earn commission. So click on the search over here and search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, search for YouTube thumbnail, and I'm gonna show you which people will be, how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link on Twitter, because it's easy and simple. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, and so on. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, I'm gonna choose, for example, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star. I will click on his service, and also he is providing fast delivery. He will make YouTube thumbnail in just 3 hours. Okay, and as you can see, he has 22 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service. So what you will do, you just need to copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So let me show you. I'm gonna put this page like this. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. I already have this page already. So what you will do, you should see over here marketing tools. Click on marketing tools click on default and dip links. Okay, it will take you to this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next step is you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. So let's go to Twitter, because it's if you don't have an account on Twitter yet, let me show you. Go to Google, search for Twitter like this, and click on the first link over here. You just need to sign up by using your email address, and it's for free, of course. So it's easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Twitter. Click on the search over here, search for I need thumbnail. Okay, search for I need thumbnail, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here looking for thumbnail designer. I need a thumbnail designer. Okay, scroll down. This one, I need some artists to hire for thumbnails. This one need a thumbnail for his videos. As you can see, this is his YouTube channel. Scroll down. I need good thumbnail for my YouTube video. Who can help? And he is ready to pay you. Okay, as you can see. So let's take this one as an example. This one is looking for YouTube thumbnail. What I will do, I will click over here on a reply. I will reply to this person. What you will do, I will go to this website, to this seller page. I will copy his title. So because I'm just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, I will put this title over here. Okay, and I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link. I will go back to Twitter and I will put this affiliate link here, and I will click over here on reply. So I'm replying to this person who is looking for YouTube thumbnail, and your Fiverr affiliate link will be sent to this person like this. I will design amazing YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours. So if this person is still looking for logo for YouTube thumbnail, if he click on my affiliate link like this, he should be directly in this Fiverr profile page seller. He will click on continue, buy this service, and I will earn commission. It's easy and simple, easy money, guys. And you can find a lot of people here on Twitter searching for YouTube thumbnail. So you will help those people and you will get commission. Easy and simple. Okay, you can see over here, need thumbnail for free. Okay, this one is looking for thumbnail for free. Search for people who are ready to pay. This one also will need YouTube thumbnail for his YouTube videos, and so on. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. I share with you everything, my method, which service I was promoting, how I find people who are interested to buy those services from my affiliate link. And of course, you should stay consistent and every day promote affiliate links on Twitter. If you have new Twitter accounts, just post like 3 to 5 affiliate links per day. And if your account is old, also just try to post up to 7 affiliate links per day, and so you can keep posting more videos. If you post a lot every day, your account can get banned, and so make sure to post just few affiliate links, and every day post more, and so on. Okay, so that's it, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.